Now based on that table we will start exercise 3.2. Here in question number second third part, this one statement given 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. They are asking lines are parallel or lines are coincide or line will intersect at one point or not. So here coefficient of x are a1 by a2, 6 by 2 is 3. Coefficient of y b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 1, 3. And coefficient of constant c1 by c2, 10 by 9. It implies a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. This one third case means lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, no solution, means line will not intersect. So case of inconsistent. Question number third, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, they are asking consistent or inconsistent. So here a1 by a2 is 4 by 3 divide 2 by 1 means 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, 2 2s are, you will get 2 by 3. Then b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3 coefficient of y, and c1 by c2 equal to 8 by 12, 4 2s are, 4 3s are. It implies a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If all three equal to each other, so second case become case of coincident line. So case of consistent become. In this they are asking question number third, consistent or inconsistent. After this question number 5, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So concept of rectangle, let length of given rectangle equal to x and breadth of given rectangle is y. You know very well perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, but they are saying half the perimeter you will divide this one by 2 is 36 meter. 2 cancel with 2, so L plus B means x plus y is equal to 36. Or you can write this equation, this is your first equation, or you can write this one equation as x equal to 36 minus y. You will make table for this first one, x, y. If you will put y value equal to 16, you will get x value of 20. If you will put y value equal to 20, you will get x value 16. If here you will put 24y, then you will get x equals to 12. After this second condition, they are saying length is 4 meter more than its width. Means length is x equal to y plus 4. If you can write standard form of this, x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is your second equation. So you will make table for this, tables for second equation, table for second equation. Here if you can put y value is 20, you will get x 24. If you will put y value 16, then x you will get 20. And if you will put y value 12, you will get x 16. In both tables, you can see common values, x equal to 20, y equal to 16. In table second also, x value 20, y value 16. So this is only become answer, x equal to 20, y equal to 16. Therefore, but directly you will not write this one is answer. You will represent these values on graph. These values on graph. Now we will put these values on graph. X equal to 20, y equal to 16, x 20, y 16. You will locate this one, x 16, y 20, x 16, y 20, x 12, y 24, x 12, y 24. If you will join these points by scale, you will get line of first equation, then second x 24, y 20, x 24, y 20, on graph you will make x 20, y 16. This one is common point, x 20, y 16. Then x 16, y 12, x 16, y 12. This one. See, both lines intersect at this point, x 20, y 16. So this is solution of this question. Length equal to 20 unit and breadth equal to 16 unit. If they have given meter, write in meter, whatever unit they have given.